Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you saw from the title, today's video is going to be a review and demo video on the Glowish skin tint as well as their bronzer. So both of these products got recently launched in India on Nykaa as well as on the Sephora India website. I personally got both of these on the Sephora India website because they were having an amazing sale going on for the year end. I did not see any kind of discount or offer going on the Nykaa website for these Glowish products, so as soon as I saw them on a good discount, I just decided to pick them up. The expiration date of these products are much farther. They have about 2 or more than 2 years of duration to use them. It's not like they are trying to push the products that are near to the expiration on a sale. That's not the case here. Sephora India website does have really amazing offers most of the time, so you just have to keep up with their website and see what discounts and sale are going on. So anyways, let's talk about the products that I have for today's video. So the first product is obviously the showstopper, which is the Glowish skin tint. This is called their multi-dew skin tint and it has 40 ml of product, which is a higher quantity than a regular foundation or a BB cream quantity. Generally products have 30 ml of product in liquid base products, but this has 10 ml more. So the actual MRP of the Glowish multi-dew skin tint is rupees 3,250, but I got this on a discount at rupees 2,340, which is such a great discount because I saved nearly 1,000 rupees on this product. There are 10 shades that are available in India on the Glowish skin tint. The shade that I picked up was 10 Deep Tan. There are 3 more darker shades apart from this particular shade, which is an amazing thing. I absolutely love when brands bring out more deeper and darker shades in their base products. I was a little bit confused on which shade to pick. I was going back and forth between the shade 09 Tan as well as the shade 10 Deep Tan. So I went through a couple of reviews on YouTube as well as on Google. I somehow guessed that the shade Deep Tan would be a better match on me because the shade Tan seemed a tad bit lighter for my liking. I would always prefer to go a little bit darker than to go lighter. I absolutely hate looking grey or ashy, so I went ahead with the shade Deep Tan. I would say the shade Deep Tan is a pretty close match to my complexion. It's probably half a shade deeper, but I absolutely do not mind that. Like I said, because it's a very soft kind of a skin tint, it doesn't really make a huge difference. I can totally use a lighter shade of concealer to bring that brightness towards the center of my face, so I really did not mind going a bit darker. It's not that drastically dark as well. It's probably just a smidge darker than my skin tone, which I absolutely love, by the way. So talking about the packaging, it comes in this see-through translucent tube packaging. You can kind of see the product inside and it has a pump also. The cap also has a holographic effect going on when you see it up close. So when you open it up, there is a pump inside, which is such a convenient packaging to dispense liquid or paste products. You can also easily control the amount of product that is coming out because of the pump packaging. The texture of this product is like a very thin, really nice whipped, very lightweight consistency. Applies and blends beautifully on the skin. You really don't have to put a lot of effort because it is a skin tint. It just blends like a dream on the skin. I think the best tool to apply this product is just simply use your fingertips. I generally don't use my fingers as much to apply my base products, but because it is a very lightweight, very light coverage skin tint, your fingers work best with this product. A brush also works in applying and blending this product, but it kind of minimizes the coverage a little bit because it doesn't have a lot of coverage in it. I think your fingers deliver the best amount of coverage with this product and blends nicely on the skin. The worst tool to use with this product is a beauty blender, so forget about using a beauty blender with this. You won't really have a lot of product deposit on the skin. The sponge would soak everything in. The coverage with one layer is a very sheer coverage. Upon building it up, you get this very nice light coverage. The coverage doesn't go beyond that because it is a skin tint, so that's the amount of coverage that it's gonna give you. But saying that, it does add that beautiful veil of coverage on your face. It just adds that filtery effect on the skin. This is one of those products that makes your skin look my skin but better kind of a look. Kind of tricks your eye and creates an illusion of having that beautiful, smooth, even, naturally flawless skin. This is a hydrating formula, but it's not oily on the skin. The finish of this skin tint is very dewy. I was very much worried if this product would stay put on my skin or not, because it's a very dewy kind of a product, so it won't really stay put on oily skin types. You guys know I have an extremely oily skin type, so I was very much worried about that part. I did have this product on my skin for about 5 hours or so with a mask on. I would say it stayed up pretty well on my extremely oily skin. It does have that little bit of tacky feeling once you apply it on the skin. After setting it with powder, the tackiness kind of goes away because it is so dewy and so luminous looking. I expected this product to get transferred all over the mask, but that did not happen. There was a little bit of transfer, but it was not drastic, and the product on my skin also did not fade away. It stayed really well on the skin, so that makes this product all skin types friendly, whether you have oily skin, dry skin, combination, normal, whatever skin you have. Absolutely love how this product looks on my skin. It's that beautiful filtered effect on the skin, which I absolutely love. I would 100% pick up this product whenever I want that no makeup kind of a look. Also, it did not crease that crazily on my smile line, being such a dewy product. The next product that I have from the Glowish range is that their bronzer. This is called their Soft Radiance Bronzer. I got this in the shade 04 Deep Tan. And by the way, this is not the full size. This is like a mini version of the same bigger size Glowish bronzer. The smaller mini sized bronzer is only available on the Sephora India website and not on Nykaa. Before jumping in with a really huge size bronzer, I thought the mini one would be a great idea to just test it out and see if the product works well or not. So this is how the product looks like. It's a beautiful tan shade packaging. Got the see-through clear lid on the top, which has the Glowish label printed on the top, and when you open it up, you have the bronzer right here. This is not that big of a size for a bronzer, but it's kind of like a bigger sized single eyeshadow. This has 3 grams of product and this retails for rupees 1500. So after discount, I got this for 1080 rupees. So I saved nearly 500 rupees there. There are totally 5 shades available in the bronzer. I picked up the shade 04 Deep Tan like I mentioned earlier. There is also a very rich deep chocolatey toned bronzer which is called Rich. Of course, I did go through a lot of YouTube reviews before buying the shade Deep Tan. I was a little bit confused with this shade as well as the Rich shade. Rich seemed like a very extreme deep chocolatey brown shade, so I think that would be ideal for even deeper and chocolatier skin tones. The shade Deep Tan works as a beautiful natural bronzer for my skin tone particularly. The bronzer has this beautiful marble pattern going on. It applies very beautifully and smoothly on the skin. It's not harsh at all on the skin. It looks absolutely beautiful and flawless. It kind of mimics that sun-tanned bronzy look. That's what a bronzer is supposed to give you, and this is exactly what you get from the Glowish bronzer. It doesn't really have any shimmer particles in it. It just adds that beautiful glowy effect on the skin. But I would like to add that this bronzer definitely has a red undertone. It's not like a warm, neutral kind of an undertone. It's pretty much on the reddish side. So this is the Glowish bronzer in the shade Deep Tan. I will swatch my Benefit Hoola bronzer next to that. This is a very beautiful neutral, the perfect kind of tone for a bronzer on my skin tone, so that you can see a difference between the two. So this is Benefit Hoola Caramel and this is the shade Deep Tan from Glowish. As you can see, the Glowish bronzer definitely has a little bit more of a red undertone to it. It's not like a crazy red undertone, but just wanted to tell you guys the difference. It's really smooth on the skin. I absolutely loved how it looked on the skin. This really reminded me of the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. That one also has a very similar texture and finish to it. It's a very smooth formula. Looks really pretty and sun-kissed on the skin and has that very mild sheen to it. But the Glowish is a little bit more even, finely milled than the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This also stayed pretty well on the skin with a mask on. When I came back home, I could still see the bronzer on my skin. It was not faded away or anything, so this also stays pretty well. So this also is a very long lasting product. If I go through the mini bronzer, I would definitely give the bigger sized Glowish bronzer a shot. I have both the products from Glowish, their skin tint as well as their bronzer. I'm very glad that these products came to India. So I really hope that my review on these two products gave you an idea of how this works on my skin tone and skin type. Hope it helped you and you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!